everybody. It's bug season. Mosquitoes are out and buzzing. I've got my face net and my bug spray. I like Pickardin as opposed to DEET because it doesn't melt your plastics and your Gore-Tex and things like that, and it works just as well. But check with your doctor on that. Chemicals are chemicals. I'm trying to find my spot for early black trumpets today. I'm in an oaky forest. It's positively delightful. Oh, gotta navigate this. Oh, I see the little vermin already. Mosquitoes. They're everywhere. Okay, more if we hit it. On my top secret deer trail. I don't see any fungi signs, but we just had a big rain. So if we get skunked, I know in about 10 days, come back and all the mushrooms will be here. Just waiting for me. So if you're looking for early summer mushrooms, black trumpets, chanterelles and the like, you definitely want to check precipitation and temperatures. But I get around that, I'm out of breath, by going hunting where there's a lot of oak trees right along a water source. And so then, as long as it has the right trees, check out Chanterelles 101, my video that identifies early morning hiking to beat the heat. Gorgeous spot. Fingers crossed for my early black trumpets. Not a chanterelle, but pretty. I saw this yellow, and that was from a distance, and that is either an early sweet tooth, which is what I think it is, hedgehog, or a chanterelle. I could know by picking it and looking for either the decurrent gills of the chanterelle or the little soft teeth of the hedgehog, but I'm gonna leave it because it's so tiny. So they are starting. We're gonna have a lot of mushrooms this summer because of all the rain. This is Midwest region talk, Midwest. So if you're in that area, Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Iowa, Indiana, Ohio, Missouri, we're talking about you. Get out there. It's time to start looking at the early spots. Here we are in my spot. There's a lot of nice trumpets, but they came up and now they've gotten wet. So here's the first black trumpets, but I can't pick them because they don't look good. But they're here. There's some. Look at these. See? Black trumpet. It looks like a black trumpet. Let's continue searching. Black trumpets really like to fruit where moisture condenses like on moss. And that's why I checked this little mossy spot and how I found these few. They like this. They're soft. See how they look like a trumpet? They're everywhere in here. I'm not picking these though because they've been ruined by the heat and the rain. There's plenty though. Another early summer mushroom, one of the corals. Super pretty in here. This looks like an old and rotted sulfur shell. We missed by about a good week. what I'm looking for, Arusula. They always come up before the big summer mushroom explosion. First pickable chanterelles of the season in my early black trumpet spot. I see more the more I look, but they're just under the leaves like this. See the little guy? Good eating. It'll be yummy in an omelet. Okay, this is the chanterelle, either deceptivus or phasmatis. Yummy. More chanterelles. See more of them. See the yellow off in the distance there, or no? See? And now they're pitting everywhere here. Nice one. Another one. Glorious. Full growth. Red oak. Wonderful, wonderful tree. What a nice mess of chanterelles. We are sweating.
The SHROOM. Oh yeah.